KeepKey can be used as a paper wallet generator and paper wallet spender because of its very secure recovery process. Let me show you. Go to our Chrome Wallet extension and initialize your device. Write down the recovery sentence. This is your paper wallet. Your new wallet is empty, so let's send some funds to the KeepKey. Our Bitcoins arrived, so let's do a device wipe. This will remove the private keys off KeepKey. Now your Bitcoins only exist in paper wallet form. When you want to spend some Bitcoin, simply do a KeepKey recovery. The device shows a recovery cipher which you use to enter your recovery sentence. Finding the letter you wish to enter in the top row, you type in the corresponding letter that is below it. Doing this prevents your connected computer from knowing your recovery sentence as you restore the device's Bitcoins. KeepKey will auto-complete the word on 3 or 4 letters, so you don't need to translate the entire word. Once your device has been recovered, your Bitcoin funds immediately show back up. Now, let's spend some Bitcoin. Approve the transaction on KeepKey. After your transaction, wipe KeepKey's copy of the private key. And that is how you generate and spend from a paper wallet using KeepKey.